Hello, my dear friends and my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion World. Fashion lovers, how are you, friends? I hope you will be fine, doing well, and enjoying the best good condition of health. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and more success. So, my dear friends, today my video topic is about stylish, gorgeous, and ultimate high heels destinations for silver mirror, bold cross strap high heels, and epitome of fashion, luxury footwear regions supreme in the fashion world of designer shoes. So guys, these type of collection especially for women who love to wear such type of high heels collection, quality of women heels, sandals, especially sexy shows, only stiletto party wear and official wear, daily wearing in different stylish colors: gold, black, pink, silver, red, especially fashionable women shoes, sparkly bow, con, thin and high heels, skirt to sandals for spring, summers. So if you want to buy these latest collections of beautiful high heels sandals, then I will tell you the best website. From here you can buy these beautiful collection of latest high heels. So friends, before telling you the best website, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and more latest ideas about fashions. So now I will tell you the best website. From here you can buy these latest collections high heels online. So you can buy these website: amazon.com, aliexpress.com, and abibuy.com. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon. And new latest collection of high heel sandals 2024.